Hello, Aviation Enthusiast 2020 here, and in today's video we are going to be looking at the Gemini Jet Airdo Boeing 767-300 1-400 model. This model was bought for me as a Christmas present, so let's have a look at it. So let's go from the front to the back. As you can see, Gemini Jets have done an amazing job of putting all of those tiny little stickers on the model. That seems to be the sweet spot. And if you're thinking this is just like a custom-made model, there's actually if you go on the internet and type in Airdo 767-300, you'll actually find this is actually a real airline and a real model. That's better. Underside, not that much detail on it, apart from a little red spot there, and registration Juliet Alpha 601A Alpha. Yeah, this is just a short little video on the Airdo Boeing 767-300. If you look over here, you can see the A380 Concorde here. Got a C-17 Globemaster and an A400M Atlas. And on the other side, we've got Concorde and the Airbus A321. Hope you like the video, like and subscribe. Until then, goodbye. When I first got this model, it was only the third model I had, and it was pretty big compared to my previous models. I had Concorde, which is a lot smaller and not that tall. It's about the same nose. And my first ever model, the Delta A321, which wing likes to come off. And that was my smallest model. So if you put them all up together, these three, which are my first three models, and we have a engine malfunction. Yeah, they are pretty much at the time the 767 was my largest model, but then I got in contact with something called eBay, and a couple of months later the A380 came in, and A380 is definitely the smallest model of my collection. Looks like the nose of the 767 is at like the bottom of the top of the landing gear.